So now, and after having configured the tool in the previous video, any elements that fall within the selected rules would automatically be checked for clashes as soon as they are drawn or modified. One example would be these couple of pipes, one drawn from scratch, the other copied. As soon as they clash with the other selected categories, in this case walls, the Clash Preview interface would show up, showing those clashes and allowing users to visualize them. One important thing to note is that starting with version 5.0, the real-time mode is asynchronous, meaning that the clash detection happens in the background without hanging the Revit interface or showing the so-called Wheel of Death. That allows users to keep modeling without experiencing any performance degradation. This is something exclusive at Bird Tools that we were able to pull off. Manual modes also now have background modes allowing you, for example, to run clash detection over the full model asynchronously in the background while working on other things, and all background clash detection processes, whether real-time or not, can be accessed in the animated button on the lower right side of the status bar. We'll explore all that in detail in the upcoming videos. So now, back to the interface. The interface allows users to visualize the clashes in 2D and 3D, colorize them, select them, whitelist them, filter them by tolerance, and export them to Excel. One new thing about the Clash Preview interface is that starting with version 5.0, the clash results are shown in a tabular form, which allows users to have more information about the clashing elements, and gives users more sorting options as sorting can now be done based on any of the clash parameters shown in the table. One other thing that you may not be aware of is that the clashing elements are automatically zoomed to, selected, colorized, and 3D view section boxes are automatically applied to them as soon as they are selected in the list, making the process even more efficient. Another thing to note is that you can keep this Clash Preview window open and clashes will be added to the list as soon as they happen without needing this interface to show up every time. So, you can keep it on another screen, keep working, and be able to see all clashes being detected as soon as they happen. When you solve a clash, you may refresh it in the list and see it go away if it's solved. You may whitelist it as well in case you feel that this is not supposed to be a clash or that you'll be providing openings in the future, for example. Whitelist clashes can all be seen by switching the list to show whitelist elements. There, whitelist clashes can be browsed and visualized, and can be unwhitelisted. One great feature that the tool has is that it can whitelist clashes based on tolerance, so if you'd like to specify a tolerance, you can, and then you may filter clashes out by tolerance. This Clash Preview form is the same for every clash detection mode that the tool supports. The tool also has a clash browser command that can display all detected clashes and that is very similar to what we've shown already, with some additions that include importing clashes from Excel as long as they follow the same format as the previously exported Excel report, and detected clashes can be reset there as well. You may open that interface and keep it open on a separate screen where clashes would populate the list as soon as they are detected. Next, we'll be exploring all manual modes that the tool offers.